Most of us are accustomed to using Google to search for information on the internet. Type in a few search terms, and like magic, Google often gives you a pretty decent set of results. Google seems to work without making you think too hard about your search terms and how you type them into Google. However, Google typically provides thousands, perhaps millions of results. A bit overwhelming. Plus, the results page includes links to paid advertisements. Also, it can be difficult to locate full-text scholarly articles through Google, or even through Google Scholar. More often than not, scholarly peer-reviewed articles will be accessible through library databases available through vendors like EBSCO, ProQuest, Sage, and more. Library databases don't work just like Google, and this is probably a good thing. For instance, you can exert quite a bit of control over your searches in the library databases. You can type your search terms into a database, combine them using specific strategies, and by doing so tell the database exactly what you want. You can control your search results and hopefully get the most relevant results for your search topic. This is a very good thing. The Kean University Library provides access to more than 200 research databases. Although databases have different search screens, similar searching options are available no matter which database you choose to use. The main objective of this online tutorial is to introduce you to the common search strategies that you will be able to employ in whatever database you select. Although this tutorial demonstrates database search strategies in the EBSCO host psychology resources, in particular PsycInfo and PsycArticles, be sure to try these same strategies out in other databases as well. For instance, say your research paper will focus on how a person's birth order in a family influences the development of that person's personality throughout the teenage years. Since most database searches do not work very well if you type a sentence or a question as if you are speaking or asking a question, try instead to select several keywords that best represent what you are trying to find. In this case, perhaps we can start with the keywords birth order, personality, and teenage. Type these keywords in the search box, and in between each of the keywords type the word AND. The word AND in this case is a Boolean operator, which ties your keywords together. By doing so, you are telling the database to retrieve articles that contain each one of your keywords. Before clicking the search button, however, consider how the word teenage has several spelling variants, such as teen, teens, teenagers, which might appear in articles. You can give the database a chance to look for these spelling variants by typing only the word stem teen, the common part of all the word variants. Then type an asterisk immediately after the word stem teen. The asterisk serves as a truncation symbol in this instance, since you are truncating or making the word shorter. In this way, you are telling the database to retrieve articles that contain each one of your keywords, birth order and personality, and some variant of the word teen. For this example, our search retrieves a disappointingly small set of articles. We really need to consider how we can revise the original search strategy and find more articles. What other words can you think of that have the same meaning as teen or teenage? How about adolescent? Let's try incorporating the word adolescent into our search strategy. Try adding a parenthesis immediately in front of teen and then typing or, followed by the word stem for adolescent. Perhaps adolesce immediately followed by an asterisk. So the database will look for the word variants adolescent or adolescence. Finally, type in another parenthesis to close up this little set of keyword options. In this case, the word or is another type of Boolean operator, and by using or to connect our words, we are giving the database a choice. Although we are telling the database to look for articles that definitely include the keywords birth order and personality, the database also has to find articles that include either a variant of teen or a variant of adolescence. Make sure that you remember to enclose the words that you've connected with the or inside parentheses. Otherwise, the database may misinterpret your search strategy. Now the databases are retrieving 189 articles, and we now have lots of opportunities to find articles that are relevant for our research topic. Remember, these strategies will work in other non-EBSCO databases too. Be sure to give them a try. If you ever need assistance with your searching, please ask a librarian for help.